stop paying for CapCut Pro to do auto caption. If you guys do not know what auto caption is this thing that is writing my words now is called auto caption. Stop paying for it. You can do it with your inshot app. So here's how to do it with your inshot app for free. You don't need to pay anything. So let's go. So over the years, CapCut has made all their feature pro. So we can no longer enjoy caption for free. So I went in search online to find out free apps that I can use to make auto caption for free. So and I find out that inshot app can do this for free, but I didn't know. For so long, inshot app can do this caption for free, but I didn't know. I found it out and I was so surprised. So first of all, what you will do is to come over to your Play Store and make sure your inshot app is up to date, because you don't really need to use the old version. All right, make sure you update it. Once you are done updating it, come over to the app. Now go ahead and upload the video you want to generate the caption. Now click on text. Now click on caption. Click on default template to select the template you want to use, but for me, I love choosing classic because it makes my caption classic. Once you are done selecting your template, click on mark, then click on start to generate your caption. Click on free caption unlock. It will pop up ads, but not to worry, it's for our own good. Once you are done watching the ads, boom, your caption is ready. It's ready, fast and easy. Bye bye to CapCut Pro. We don't need CapCut for now. InShot is the best. Go ahead and make use of this app right now and thank me later. Please do well to subscribe to my channel too, because it helped me and encouraged me to bring more free and amazing tutorials for you guys to watch and learn something from it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you very much. I love you guys so much. Bye. I'll see you guys on my next video.